Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to zoom in and out in Photoshop. So it's gonna be really basic. I will be showing you guys two ways to zoom in and out. So the first step is you can just press Z on your keyboard and then you will get the zoom icon, zoom tool, or you can just click on the left side. And then in this zoom tool, you can just left click on your mouse and then you can basically zoom in. And then if you right click, you can just zoom out. Press on zoom out and then you can just zoom out or zoom in by right clicking. And then the second way is you can just basically press and hold Alt on your keyboard. And then you can just use your mouse wheel up or down to zoom in and out. So all you gotta do is just hold Alt on your keyboard and then use your mouse wheel up or down to zoom in and out. So this is how to zoom in and out in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.